Imagine this, a potential new world orbiting one of the closest stars to Earth, just 4 light years away. This isn't science fiction. It's a tantalizing possibility uncovered by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Astronomers have detected what could be a brand new exoplanet circling Alpha Centauri A, the star most similar to our Sun in the nearby Alpha Centauri triple star system. But here's where it gets intriguing. This discovery has sparked excitement not only among scientists, but also among fans of space exploration and even sci-fi enthusiasts. So, how did scientists spot this distant object? The JWST, equipped with its advanced mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, employed a clever technique using a coronagraphic mask. This tool blocks out the overwhelming brightness of stars, much like shielding your eyes from the sun to see fainter objects around it. By doing so, researchers were able to identify a faint signal, about 10,000 times dimmer than Alpha Centauri A itself. That could indicate the presence of an orbiting planet. Now here's the catch. While the candidate planet lies within Alpha Centauri A's habitable zone, the region where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, it's likely a gas giant. And as we know, gas giants like Jupiter or Saturn aren't ideal candidates for hosting life as we understand it. That said, this doesn't diminish the significance of the find. In fact, it opens up a treasure trove of questions and possibilities. For one, this discovery is sure to delight fans of the Avatar film series. Remember Pandora, the lush moon teeming with alien life? It was depicted as orbiting a gas giant in the Alpha Centauri system. While this newly spotted candidate may not host anything like Pandora, its very existence fuels the imagination and invites speculation about what other worlds might be lurking out there. But let's dive deeper into why this matters scientifically. If confirmed, this planet would hold a remarkable title. It would be the closest exoplanet ever imaged relative to its host star, sitting at roughly twice the Earth-Sun distance, known as 2 astronomical units. Additionally, it would mark the first time astronomers have captured an image of a planet orbiting a star that closely resembles our Sun in terms of age and temperature. These factors make it a prime target for future studies. With the Alpha Centauri system being so close to us, any exoplanets discovered there offer unparalleled opportunities to gather detailed data about planetary systems beyond our own, explains Charles Beichman, Executive Director of the NASA Exoplanet Science Institute at Caltech and a senior scientist at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. His enthusiasm highlights the broader implications of this finding, not just for understanding Alpha Centauri, but for advancing our knowledge of how planets form and evolve in diverse environments. Interestingly, the Alpha Centauri system already hosts 2 confirmed exoplanets, both orbiting Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star. However, confirming the existence of this new gas giant won't be straightforward. Follow-up observations with JWST failed to provide additional evidence, possibly because the planet was too close to Alpha Centauri A to be clearly imaged. Yet, computer simulations suggest that such a planet could indeed exist, hiding in the glare of its parent star. This is where things get really exciting. Scientists are hopeful that upcoming missions, including the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope set to launch in May 2027, will help resolve the mystery. If the planet is confirmed, it would challenge our current understanding of planetary formation. The very presence of a planet in a system with 2 closely spaced stars raises profound questions about how planets can form, survive, and adapt in chaotic environments, says Aniket Sanghi, a Caltech graduate student who co-led the research with Beichman. The findings have been published in 2 papers accepted for release in the Astrophysical Journal Letters. And this is the part most people miss. Discoveries like these aren't just about ticking off another planet on the cosmic map. They represent stepping stones toward answering humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone in the universe? What conditions are necessary for life to emerge? How common or rare are planetary systems like ours? So, what do you think? Does this discovery excite you, or do you feel cautious optimism is warranted until more evidence surfaces? Join the conversation in the comments below and share your thoughts. Who knows? Your insights might inspire the next big breakthrough.